From GPUs to AI factories, how BIS MarketIQ enables data-driven insights into data center transformation. Data centers are entering a new phase. They are no longer just facilities filled with servers and storage. They are becoming AI factories, built to process massive GPU workloads, train advanced AI models, and support real-time intelligence. This transformation is changing the rules of the industry. Traditional data centers were designed around steady computing demand. AI factories need a very different infrastructure model. High-density GPU clusters, advanced liquid and hybrid cooling, massive and reliable power capacity, faster deployment cycles, infrastructure that can scale with AI demand. And this creates a major challenge. Operators can no longer rely only on past demand trends or slow planning cycles. They need to answer critical questions faster. Where is capacity needed next? Which regions are seeing stronger AI demand? Where are hyperscalers expanding? Where could oversupply become a risk? The problem is that many companies still manage these decisions through fragmented systems. Capacity planning may sit in spreadsheets. Pricing data may be stored separately. Project timelines, customer demand, and regional competition may all be tracked through different tools. That slows decision-making. And in a market where companies are managing hundreds of megawatts across multiple regions, even a small delay in visibility can create serious business risks. Missed revenue opportunities, inefficient capital allocation, poor site selection, wrong expansion timing, underutilized or stranded capacity. This is where BIS MarketIQ becomes highly relevant. It brings market, operational, and commercial intelligence into a unified platform designed for the AI-driven data center era. Through BIS MarketIQ, decision-makers can track key data center intelligence in one place, including planned, under construction, and operational campuses, capacity additions and phasing timelines, GPU density and AI readiness, cooling, architecture, power, infrastructure, key ecosystem, partners such as EPCs and system integrators, but the bigger value is predictive intelligence. Instead of reacting after the market shifts, operators can identify upcoming capacity, track hyperscaler activity, spot potential oversupply risks, and align their strategy with actual demand trends. The key takeaway is simple. In the AI factory era, the winners will not only be those who build more capacity, they will be those who make faster, sharper, data-backed decisions. Subscribe for more deep tech market insights, and to learn more about this market, explore our report in the description below.